Hi dear students, welcome back to chemistry online session. So in this video we are going to learning new topic. Before we discuss the topic, in previous session we discussed important topics like example valency. So once you recall the definition of valency, what is valency? Combining capacity of an atom of element is known as valency. So in variable valency we discussed already based on groups and periods. So first a group elements contain valency is 1, second a group element 2, so up to 8th group already we discussed. In that group metals, in that groups first a group contain metals. So metals, what is the charge of metals? Positive charge. Why? So metals always lose the electrons. Here positive charge, first a group element charge will be +1. That means valency of first a group element +1 charge. Second a group elements +2. Third a group +3. Fourth a group 4. So next one, fifth a group elements. Fifth a group element is 5th to 8th a group belongs to non-metals. Already you know that formula to find the non-metals, like 8 minus group number. 8 minus group number or valence electrons. Valence electrons. So 8 minus means 5th a group. So 8 minus 5, 3. So minus 3 charge. Non-metals present in negative charge. It gains the electrons. Next one, 6th a group elements. -2. 7th a group. -1. 8th a group elements. So 8 minus 8, 0. So that is belongs to 0 group elements like halogens, also called noble gas elements. So these are the important formula to find that metals are present in up to positive charge, third a group elements. Fourth a group is neutral. That means 4th and 5th a group to 7th a group -3, -2, -1. 8th a group belongs to 0 valency. So in this session we are going to discuss about valency symbol of elements up to 1 to 20 elements in a periodic table. So in this session we are going to discuss valency of 1 to 20 elements and symbols. Already you know symbol of elements like hydrogen H we discussed in previous session 1 to 10 elements. In this video we discuss up to 20 elements. So valency of 1 to 20 elements. What is the first element? Hydrogen. Symbol of hydrogen H. So what is the atomic number? 1. So you can divide that shells, K shell, L shell, M shell, M shell, and last one valency. So you can easily classify how many electrons are present in K shell, how many electrons present in L shell, like M and N shell. Finally valency. So here valency is present in or positive or negative. We need to find that. So only one electron, 1 is 1. So the electron will be 1. So it is hydrogen is considered as a metal and non-metal. When hydrogen react with the metal hydrides, they present in negative charge. It react with non-metals, charge will be minus. So we can consider as a only 1. Second element, helium, symbol He. So electronic configuration 1s2. That means only 2 electrons are present in K shell. So it is a valency helium belongs to 0 group, so that means 0, 8 minus 0. Except helium is 2 electrons, so there is no charge. So we can consider as a 2. Why? Because these are noble gases. Noble gas or gas states. Other element, third one, lithium. Symbol of lithium is Li. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2 electrons. K shall always present 2 electrons, and 2s1, that means 1 electron. The valency of lithium is 1, so that is a plus 1. Plus 1 means first group element. Already in previous session we discussed the first group elements. Second, fourth one, beryllium. Symbol Be. Electronic 1s2, 2s2. So what is the valence? Plus 2. So that means beryllium contain second group plus 2. Fourth one. Fifth one, boron. Symbol of boron is B. Fifth element, boron. Symbol is B. So electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. So 2s2, 2p1, it contain same shell. So that means electrons will be present. Here only 3 electrons. You can consider as a 2p level. That means L shell. So what is the valency? 3. 3 means third group. Boron is a metalloid. You can consider as metalloid, and also valency of boron is plus 3. And sixth one, carbon. Atomic number of 6 is carbon. Symbol of carbon C. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. That means 4. Valency 4. So fourth A group elements. Fourth A group element. And seventh one, nitrogen. Symbol of nitrogen is N. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. That means total 5 electrons. So what is the valency? 8 minus 3 means 8 minus 5 means 3. So valency is minus 3. Fifth A group element. Eighth one, oxygen. Symbol of oxygen is O. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. That means 6. It contains 8 minus 6. Valency is 6. So 2. The valency minus 2. Ninth one, fluorine. Symbol of fluorine is F. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. So 7. 8 minus 7 means minus 1. And next one, 10th one, neon. Symbol of neon, Ne. So electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. That means 8 electrons in outermost shell. So what is the valency? 8 minus 8, 0. So it is considered as a 0 group element or noble gas elements. So next elements, 11th element, atomic number 11. Name of the element is sodium. Symbol of sodium is Na. So Latin name of sodium, natrium. That's why the symbol will be presented Latin based on Latin name. Electronic configuration will be filled 2 electrons, L shell 8 electrons. Atomic number is 11. So 2 plus 8, 10. 1 electron will be entered into the M shell. So total electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. So valence is 1. That means it belongs to first A group element. So valency is 1 plus 1. Next element is atomic number 12, magnesium. Symbol of magnesium Mg. So electronic configuration, K shell completely filled, 2 electrons, L shell is 8 electrons is full, remaining 8 plus 2, 10, remaining 2 electrons will be enter into the M shell. So valency plus 2. 13th element, aluminum. Symbol of aluminum is Al. Electronic configuration 283. So that means 2 plus 8, 10 electrons, and remaining 3 enter into M shell. The valency will be present plus 3. So that means third A group element. Atomic number 14. Silicon. Symbol of silicon Si. Electronic configuration 284. It belongs to valency is 4. So silicon is a metalloid. Both sodium, magnesium, aluminum are metals. So that's why charge will be present, positive charge. And 15th one, phosphorus. Symbol of phosphorus P. Electronic configuration 2, 8, 5. So 5 means it is a non-metal. What is the formula for finding of valency? 8 minus 5 means minus 3. It is a non-metal. So non-metal valency belongs to 5th A group element. So valency is minus 3. 16th one, sulfur. Symbol of sulfur is electronic configuration 2, 8, 6. Total 16 electrons will be present in sulfur. So 8 minus 2, 8 minus 6, 2. Sulfur also non-metal. 17th one, chlorine. Atomic number 17 is chlorine. Symbol is Cl. Electronic configuration 2, 8, 7. 8 minus 7, minus 1. So both 3 are present in non-metals. 18th one, argon. Symbol of argon Ar. Electronic configuration 2, 8. Outermost electrons are 8. So 8 minus 8 equal to 0. It is a noble gas element. Noble gas element. Next one, atomic number 19. Potassium. Symbol is K. The Latin name of potassium is Kalium. Electronic configuration 2, 8, 8. That means 10 plus 8, 18. So one electron is entered into the other shell, N shell. So outermost electron configuration, only one electron, the valency will be present, plus 1. So it belongs to first A group element. Sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, first A group elements. And last element, calcium. Ca. Symbol of calcium is Ca. Electronic configuration 2, 8, 8. Remaining 2 electrons. So calcium belongs to second A group element. So what are the second A group? Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. So these are the elements will be present 1 to 20 elements, valency, symbol, and finding the valency of elements. So it belongs to first A group or second A group, third A. You can easy to find the group of the elements. Once recap the topic. Here you can observe valency of metals belongs to plus 1 to plus 3. Charge will be always metals. And negative charge will be present non-metals. Non-metal. So valency of metals plus 1 to plus 3 and plus 4 to minus 1 non-metals. So it belongs to all non-metals. 4 to minus 1. So you can easy to understand the topic. You can take any other example. Suppose we take lithium. That electronic configuration 1s2, 2s1. So outermost electrons are present 1 electron. So that's why the valence is 1. So you can observe lithium is present in first A group element. Like example. So here I will write, you can don't confuse lithium, beryllium, first A group, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. So all first A group elements are present, electronic configuration is +1. So you can observe that lithium, what is the valency? Li +1. So here sodium, right? Sodium, electronic configuration 2, 8, 1. So outermost electron +1. So here all positive elements, that means first A group elements, the valence will be present +1. Second A group +2. Third A group +3. And up to 4th to 7th A group, that means negative charges, -3, -2, -1. Only 8th A group elements only it will be present 0. What is the reason? The outermost electrons completely filled. So that is the reason there is no space enter into the electrons. So 8 minus 8 equal to 0. So these are the topic. I hope you all understand. Thank you.